So this is a helpful tip when you use your 11-12 Explorer. When you explore, especially when you're first learning, it's really easy to just feel one way, like you would calculus removal. So you get like under the deposit and you're feeling up, and then you go back down and you do your wrist motion back. But really, since this doesn't have a cutting edge, we should be feeling both ways up and down. So as I am exploring, like here, I'm gonna go distal line angle back, I am feeling both ways up and down, and that's gonna give me a better cue of what's happening. If it's a deposit, I should feel both ways, a jump when I go sub and towards the incisal edge or occlusal edge, bunk, bunk, bunk. If it's a cavity or a decayed area, you're gonna fall in and you should feel it both ways, in, out, in, out. If it's an overhang, which none of these teeth have, but if it was an overhang, I would only feel it as I come towards the cusp, so the occlusal edge. I would feel a ping, and then I would slide right down. Ping, slide right down. So as you explore, feel both ways, and that'll really help you give you a better insight to what you're feeling.